In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in an audio event on LinkedIn Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to fill out so your audience can easily find your registration or broadcast link. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. From your home screen, tap the Post button at the bottom. On the Post Composer, look for the plus icon in the bottom right corner and tap it to reveal more options. Choose Event from the menu. This opens the event setup page where you'll add all the details for your audio event. Begin with a clear event name so people instantly understand what it's about. Next, set the date and time and make sure to choose the correct time zone. Getting the time zone right is important so attendees see the start time accurately, especially if your audience is international. Now, because this is an audio event, make sure the event type is set to online. Audio events can't be created as in-person events, so selecting online is essential. You'll see a field for a registration or broadcast link. This is where you paste the URL you want attendees to use. Double check that the link is correct and live. A quick copy and paste from your source is the safest way to avoid typos. Add a helpful description that explains what the session covers, who it's for, and what attendees will learn. Clear, concise descriptions lead to better engagement. You can also upload a cover image to make your event more appealing in the feed. Choose a clean, high-quality image that reflects your topic or brand. When your details look good, tap Done. You'll see a preview screen where you can make any last-minute edits. Here, you can optionally invite connections to the event. Inviting is completely up to you, but it can help kickstart visibility and attendance. When you're ready, tap Post. Your audio event will be published to your LinkedIn account, and the registration or broadcast link you added will be visible to potential attendees. From here, you can share the event link in messages or other posts to reach more people, and you can always come back later to adjust details if needed. That's all it takes to create a LinkedIn audio event on mobile and include your link the right way. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.